Good morning. Chapter Linear Inequalities. Exercise 6.2. Question number 1. So the first question is solve graphically x plus y less than 5. Solve x plus y less than 5. Okay. Now solution. So first you take equal sign. Consider the equation x plus y equal to 5. Okay. Now dividing both sides by 5. Each and every term dividing by 5. Then x by 5 plus y by 5 equal to 5 by 5. Okay, because equal to 5, so to make constant is 1, so we are dividing here by 5. So x by 5
plus y by 5 is equal to 1.
Yes, plus y by 5 equal to 1. Okay. Now this x by 5, this 5 means, okay, on the x-axis length 5, and y by 5, that is on the y-axis length from origin. Now draw x-axis, y-axis and draw this graph. This is x, this line is y, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin O. Okay, this is y dash, negative side, and this is x dash. Now, so x by 5 on the x-axis 5 units. So from O, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, suppose this is 5, and on the y by 5 on the y-axis also 5.
Yes, sir.
Count, this is 5. Okay. Now draw this 2 point. Join these 2 points.
So drawn. Sir, in this graph, do we have to write the steps?
No need. Like this only. See. So this is the required line, x plus y equal to 5. Okay. Now putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the given inequalities. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the given inequalities.
Sir, it will be a true statement, sir. 0 is less than 5.
inequalities. Okay, and this is x plus y equal to 5. You can write here. Okay, this equation. This equation is actually, this is the line x plus y equal to 5. Okay, and equation is x plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5. Now x plus y less than 5. So putting 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 less than 5.
Sir, it's 0 less than 5, which is a true statement.
Which is true, yes. Which is true. Which is true. Okay. Now if it is true, we know the solution of this line will be
It will be towards the origin.
origin. Yes. So towards the origin, solution will be, therefore solution of the given line, given inequalities, are towards the origin. Okay, so draw towards the origin side. So like this, towards the origin. Okay, this is x plus y equal to 5, this line. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is the solution set towards the origin. Clear? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So do next question number 2. Question number 2 is 2x plus y, 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. Okay. So first consider 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, take equal sign. Now to make right
So
side,
dividing both sides by 6.
yes. So each and every term dividing by 6 to make one constant. So 2x by 6 plus y by 6 equal to 6 by 6. Then 2x by 6 means x by 3.
X by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1.
Y by 6 equal to 1. Okay. So x 3.
Sir, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6.
Yes. Length of the on the x-axis 3 unit and length of the y-axis. Okay. 6 unit. Now draw x-axis, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, this is origin O. Okay, and x is 3 unit, so Suppose this is 3. Okay, 3 unit, and y is 6 unit. Suppose on the y-axis length 6 unit. This is 6. Okay. Now join these 2 points.
Sir, join.
Practice in your graph copy. Okay, always.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now putting. Now you have to find
Sir,
the.
x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0.
Now actually we have to find the direction of the line. This line. This is the line of 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay. So now putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the equation. Equation is a 2x plus y
Greater than equal to 6.
x plus y greater than equal to 6. Okay. So put x0 y0, that means 0 plus 0.
Sir, it will be a false statement.
0 greater than
So
equal to
0
6.
will be.
Okay. So
So it is a false statement.
which is false.
So,
Which is false. Okay. 0 greater than 6 is not possible. Now that means
it will be away from the origin. Sir, the lines will be away from the origin.
So direction of the given line is away from the origin. That means opposite side of the origin. So this side, this way. See. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This way. Okay. So this is the solution set of this given inequalities. Okay. Away from the origin. And first one is towards the origin. Okay. Next question is clear. This one clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you can write here solution set. Okay. Are away from the origin. Next, question number 3. Three x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12.
So here can we take?
Less than equal to 12. So consider.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the question. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So consider 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now dividing both sides by
12.
12. So 3x by 12 plus 4y by 12.
Sir, x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1.
12 by 12. Okay. So 3 4 12, that is x by 4 plus y by
Y
3
by 3 is equal to 1.
equal to 1. Okay. Now draw the x-axis and y-axis. X, y, this is origin. Okay, now x is 4, so on the x-axis length 4 and y is 3. Okay, so suppose this is 4 unit from origin and y is 3, because this is 3. Now join these 2 points. Okay, so this is the line x by 4 y by 3 equal to 1. Now putting x equal to 0 y equal to 0 in the given inequalities. Now putting x equal to 0 y equal to 0 in the given inequalities, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. 3x,
Sir, 0 is less than equal to 12.
4y less than equal to 12. No, it is less than equal to. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
so x0, 3 into 0, 0, y0, so 0. 0 less
Sir,
than
0
equal
is
to
less
12.
than equal to 12.
0 less than equal to 12.
Yes,
So 0
sir.
less than 12, it is
True. Sir, true statement.
yes, which is true. Okay, it is possible. So the direction of the line is
Towards the origin.
Okay, so towards the origin side. This is graphical solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solution of the given inequalities are towards the origin. Okay. Next we do question number C, different question. Question number 9. Do first. Question number 9. Okay, different type of equation. Question number 9 is
Sir, y is less than minus 2.
y less than minus 2. Okay, so consider y equal to minus 2. Okay, so y equal to minus 2. This is a line, so draw the line y equal to minus 2. This is x dash negative side, y y dashed, y negative, origin. Okay. Now y equal to -2. So always we know start from origin and count. Y -2 is okay downwards. So
Yes, sir.
1, 2. Suppose this is 2. Y -2. This point. Okay. Y equal to -2 and x is 0.
Yes, sir.
So y is -2 and the line is y -2 and x can be any. When y equal to -2, x can be any point. Okay. That means this is the line. Clear? It is clear? Or you can
Yes, sir.
or you can find the points also and plot the points. How to find this equation point? That is y is -2 always and x can be any number. X can be 2, y -2, x 5, y -2. So this is the required line, y equal to -2. This line is y equal to -2. Okay, it is clear. Y equal to -2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, suppose this point is -2 and this point is -1, like this. Okay. Now, so put 0, 0 in the given equation. So putting x equal to 0 for finding direction and y equal to 0 in the given equation is y less than -2. Y less than -2. Okay. So we get y
So 0 less than -2. So it is a false statement.
2. Okay. So 0 less than -2, it is true or false?
False.
So which is false? 0 is always greater than negative number. No. 0 is better than negative. So which is false?
Yes,
Which is
sir.
false? Then direction of this line will be where? Towards the origin.
No, sir. Away from the origin.
Yes. So from the origin, that means this side downwards. This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Opposite side of the origin. Okay. So solution will be away from the origin. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.